Good morning. I am Emilia. You mean me? Oh, say hi. Say hi. I want always carry with my auntie Angeli. See? Oh, you're still sleepy, oh? What? Okay, see? Oh, say hi. Say. Say hi. Okay, show it to everybody our Christmas tree. Okay? We're having a Christmas tree. See? It's awesome. It's awesome. Oh, see? Mama. See? Oh. Okay, see Christmas tree. Oh. Hi, hi, hi. Hello, Philippines. We are here in Malaysia. Okay, say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hello, Merry Christmas to everyone. Hello. See my baby Sonuti. See what it's doing? Don't pick up the decoration, ah? Ah, baby ko. See? See? Don't play. Oi. Ah. Oi. Oi. Ah, so cute. Are you there, baby? Da? Okay. Come here. Let's show to everybody the Christmas tree that we made it. It's so awesome. Hello. Hello. Thank you very much for allowing having a Christmas tree. Even though they are not the same my religion, they feel me the spirit of Christmas. Hello. Baby, come. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Ta. Oh, so nice. Where is the star? Show to them the stars. Oh no, oh, this is it. Okay. Amy, come here. May, see? Come. Amy, come here. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye everyone. Merry Christmas to everybody.